Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a letter G. So, what you guys will be needing is a hook. You guys could use a plastic hook, but today I'll be using a metal hook. You will also need a loom in this position, and the arrows are pointing up, and you'll need some rubber bands. Today I'll be using green. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to take 2 bands and we're going to go up. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then you'll skip 1 peg and I'm going to go up again. Or you could just go like this. Not 1 peg, but a spot. So it looks something like this, and they're both double bands. Now what you want to do is you want to put a 3 loop cap band on each of them. So you want to take 1 band. You could take whatever color you want, and you want to make it into X like you do for handmade bracelets. That. Put the side that you're holding onto the loom and do that one more time, like that. Beat it a little hard for me. Okay, like that. You want to do that for this one too. For you guys, what we're making right now is this part of the G right here. And what you have is you have the 3 loop cap band on these 1 double bands. And then you have that again. So now what we're going to do is you're going to take double bands, and right above that, not connecting, you're going to go up 5 times. 1, 2, and you want to do that 3 more times. So you guys, now we're going to count the pegs of the 5th one. Pegs are these, okay? These are the rubber bands. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to take 1 band and just put it from down to up, like that. Easy, right? So now what we want to do is we're going to just turn our loom around. And remember, you guys, we're doing this part. This part. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go in the cap band. Put it a lot of there. So remember, you're going to do all those 3 ones. Grab the bottom 2. I only got the 1, but it's okay. I'm going to go back and loop it up. Do that again for the other one. Go in the 3 cap band. Grab the bottom 2 and loop it up. Wait, yes. So now what we want to do is we want to take this part, stick it off like that, so it looks like this. And you want to just take it off and put it so it looks like a T. If you're making T, you want to just put it like this, right? Something like that. Off again. The other one. And make sure they're facing opposite, so the cap bands are facing opposite directions. That's another way you can know. Right now mine are facing the same, right? So it doesn't make any sense. But make sure they're facing this side. Now, before we start looming, make sure you just pull that through so that you make sure you're grabbing only the bottom 2. So now you want to go through all those tough bands, grab the bottom 2, take it through all the tough bands again, and loop it up. And now when you reach the single band, slanted band, you want to take this one and loop it to itself here. Then wind up, wind up, go and loop it up. So before we move on, I just wanted to make sure everyone has this. It looks like this. Got everything loomed. We have the slanted band loomed. And so far, the slanted band is only 1 band, so remember that. And everything else is 2 bands. So, you're gonna take this part, the end part right here, take those two off, like this. And remember, it's on your hook. You can use a plastic hook, whatever. And you wanna just put it onto the slanted band here, where it's by itself. Eee, it's hard. I keep saying, wee. Okay, like that. So, now what we want to do is we're gonna turn our loom again, like that. And you should have at least one whole row, like 3. Okay? So you wanna take 2 bands, and you want to put it up on that 3 line. And you wanna go up 10 more times with 2 bands. So, well, yeah, my loom went all crazy right now. But your loom should be like this. You should have 11 bands up, double bands. And you should have this part. So if you're good with that, if you have any mistakes, just pause the video, it's totally okay. So, now what you want to do with the arrows pointing up, I'm gonna count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're counting the pegs, not the bands. So we're counting the bands over here, but we're counting the pegs. And you wanna put 1 band there, and you wanna slant it like this. Yeah, like that. So, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna count from the top, from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take 1 band and put it like that. So you guys should have something like this. So now what we want to do is you want to take the part from here, this part. So to do that, you want to just reel them like that. And you want to just stick your hook right here. Make sure you're going through all the bands. I'm just going to off. Just to make sure. And you just want to take it off. So you have something like this. Right. So now what you want to do is we're going to make it the cap band for here. So just a lot of bands, guys. So be a little careful. Okay. This is a lot of bands. Just put it right here. So what you guys want to do is you want to go into all those tough bands, and you want to grab the bottom 2. You just want to loop it up. Before, like I just did it, but like before you guys did it, make sure that your thing was pointing this way, not like and make sure it's kind of curved that way, you know. Stay. So now you just want to keep looming. But when you reach the slanted part, it's a little bit different. Just like that. Do not loom the whole thing when you reach the slanted part. You want to stick your hook in here, and you want to put it onto the slanted band. Oh my god, this is tough band. All these bands going everywhere. Okay. It's okay if this all kind of falls off. It's okay. And you want to go in, grab that slanted line, band, and you want to loop it here. And now you just want to keep looping again. Like this. So I'm going to keep showing you because we have something different. And we got 1 band there. And when you reach this slanted band again, well, you're not going to do the same thing. You're just going to go in this. Okay, this loop. That it's totally okay, guys. Don't matter too worry. So you want to stick your hook in. You want to take it off again. If you see, this is kind of like C. guys watched the RC video. Wait, there's a lot of bands still. So you just want to put it over here and leave it like that. So you guys, what we want to do now is, you see this slanted band that we didn't loop yet? Just bit like that. So you have something like this. So now you want to twirl your loom again. So far I just want to tell you what we have. We have this part, we have this whole part here, and we're going to make this part right now. So you want to take 2 bands and you want to go up 4 times. 1, 2. You want to do that 2 more times with double bands. So you guys, we are almost done. So here we have this part, and we have the 4. So if you guys do not have that yet, don't worry, you guys can pause the video. If you did something wrong, you could go back into the video. You could rewind the video, you can also say that. So you want to go in and take all the bands from this part, the long part, the 11-month part, I could say. Take it off. Just position it kind of. I'm putting it. So now you want to put this part right onto this 4 one as a cap band. So you guys, we have something like this. Look how good it looks. So you just want to make sure it's this way. There we go. But you want to go in all the bands. There are a lot of bands again, so be a little careful. Get the bottom 2 and put it up. So you want to do that until you reach right over here. So you guys, now what we want to do is we want to stick your hook in, take 1 band, this is a slip knot part, and you want to just pull it through. Oh, okay. Take that band and put it like that. You have 2 right here. Take the second loop and pull it over the first loop, not through, over. Doing over a different, right? And just go like that. So, you guys, now you want to take our creation off. So, just want to stretch a little bit. Eek, this looks so good. Okay, guys. So, over here we have our G. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want to make it so you can hang it like this, you just have to make another slip knot, okay, and just put it through there, you know, that. And I will make it so you can hang it up, and I hope you guys like this. Subscribe, like, look at our other videos, we have ABC and all of those, and yeah, bye.